Hello students, dear ninth class students, welcome to today's maths class. So lines and angles continuation. It is taking time because daily I am solving only 3 problems and each and every problem I am solving. But of course we have only some 7 problems left. Maybe today and this class and the next class we may complete. So students, open the textbooks. No need of any extra concepts or extra theorem. Already you know everything. So this is 10th question. 10th question, draw the diagram from the textbook. Draw the diagram from the textbook. Draw the neat diagram from the textbook and also read the question. This is a line AB. This is C. This is D. This is E. This is 53 degrees. This is 35 degrees. This is the diagram, students. Angle DCE. This angle, what is this angle? DCE. What is this angle? This angle we have to find. That angle we have to find, students. Say this is, say for example, X. That X we have to find. DCE we have to find. DCE we have to find. Carefully observe the figure and read the question. What is the given condition? In the given figure, AB is parallel to DE. See students. AB parallel to DE. AB parallel to DE. AB parallel to DE. AB parallel to DE. It is given. If these two are parallel, AE is the transversal. Then AE is a transversal. These two are parallel. This is a transversal. Then this angle and this angle are alternate angles. Parallel lines, transversal. Both are interior on opposite sides of the transversal. They are alternate angles. This and this are alternate angles. So angle Y is equal to 35 degrees. What is the reason? Alternate angles are equal. If two lines are parallel, then these are the alternate angles, and we know that if the lines are parallel, alternate angles are equal. Y is equal to 35 over. But our question is we have to find X, not Y. Many ways we can apply now. Next concept, many ways. Sum of 3 angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. In triangle CDE, this angle plus this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degrees. The reason is sum of 3 angles of a triangle. This angle plus this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degrees. X plus 53 plus Y is equal to 180 degrees. X is X we don't know. Plus 53 degrees plus Y already we got 35. See, Y is equal to 35 only with direct step. You have to tell the reason, that's all. Because these two are parallel, this is the transversal, these two are alternate angles. So this y is equal to 35. $88. Over. Write down, students. As per the question, in the question y is not given, we introduce it. So x is not given, we introduce it. So in the question it is given that DCE, this angle is named as angle DCE. So that means angle DCE is equal to 92 degrees over. After this, write down 11th question, students. Read it and draw the diagram. Draw a big diagram, neat diagram, a diagram given in the 11th problem. Eleventh question. SQT. This is the given figure and this angle is asked. That angle is asked. What is this angle? This is asked. SQT is asked. Students, let us, this angle is asked. I will take it as x and I will take this as y. Say for example this as z. Just a notation. Otherwise, no need of writing x, y, z. You can, instead of x, you can write SQT. This angle can be written as PTR. PTR. This angle can be written as QTS. QTS. Like that also we can represent. See here students, in the given figure, what concept I am using? First I will take this triangle. I am taking the triangle. See, I am taking PTR or PRT triangle. In triangle PRT, only concentrate on this triangle. Forget about the remaining diagram. Only PRT you see. Sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. This angle plus this angle plus this angle is equal to 180. 95 degrees plus 40 degrees plus angle Z is equal to 180 degrees. The reason is sum of three angles in a triangle. Sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Sum of three angles in a triangle is 180. PRT is a triangle. PRT is a triangle. This angle plus this angle plus this angle is equal to 180. 90 plus 45 is 135 plus angle Z is equal to 180. So angle Z is 180 minus 135 is 45 degrees. Actually, this is not asked actually. Only this is asked. First we got this. Z is equal to 45. Z is equal to 45. See, so many ways we can solve these students. It is not that only particular method. Same, all the concepts you know. If we can, for solving a particular problem, we can apply concept 1 or concept 2 or concept 3. Like the different concepts, using different concepts also we can use. So I am doing like this. After getting Z, if two lines intersect, these two are called vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Angle Z is equal to angle Y. Angle Y is equal to angle Z. Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. If two lines are intersecting, then these two are vertically opposite angles and they are equal. These two also vertically opposite angles and they are equal. If Z is 45, Y also 45. Z 45, Z is equal to 45, Z is 45, Y also 45. Y also 45. Okay. But this angle. Now take this triangle, sum of three angles is equal to 180 degrees. In triangle, what is the name of this triangle? QTS or QST. QST triangle. This triangle, sum of three angles is 180 degrees. Angle X plus angle Y plus 75 is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of three angles in a triangle. Sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Same reason which we written here. So this angle plus this angle plus this angle is 180 degrees. So angle X we have to find, we don't know. Y is 45 plus 75 is equal to 180 degrees. So that implies X is also called SQT or TQS. As per the textbook you write. In the textbook how it is represented? It is written as SQT. See here. SQT. Angle SQT is equal to 180 minus 75 plus 45 is 120. So minus 120, 60 degrees answer. That's all, students. Sum of three angles 40 plus 95 plus z is equal to 180. So z is equal to 15. Z is 15, y also, z 45 means y also 45, vertically opposite angles. This is 45 plus 75, 120. 120 means this should be 60, so that sum of three angles is 180 degrees. So 60. Simple. Write the 12th question and draw the diagram, student. See, students, find z. Different concepts we can use. I am using simple concept. See here. In the given figure, see here, students, x plus 50 is equal to 180 degrees. What is the reason? This plus this, sum of these three angles is 180 degrees. The reason is angle on a straight line. Total angle on a straight line is 180 degrees. Total angle on a straight line, one side of the straight line is 180 degrees. This total is 180 degrees. Straight angle. Straight angle, this plus 50, this plus 50, total angle on one side of the straight line is 180 degrees. 2x, 180 minus 50. 180 minus 50 is 130 by 2. 65. We got x is equal to 65. But the question is find z. But first we will get x and y, then only we will get z. X we got, students. Same rule you apply here. Also, angle y plus, that is y plus 70 is equal to 180 degrees. This plus this total angle on a straight line, straight angle. Angle on a straight line is 180 degrees. Y is equal to 180 minus 70, y is equal to 110 by 2, 55 degrees. This angle is asked. In triangle BCQ, see only BCQ, don't forget about remaining, BCQ triangle. BCQ triangle, concentrate only on BCQ triangle. BCQ triangle, X plus Y plus Z is equal to 180 degrees. X plus Y plus Z is equal to 180 degrees because sum of three angles in a triangle is 180. Sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. This angle plus this angle plus this angle is equal to 180. What is X? 65. Y is 55 plus Z we don't know, we have to find. So Z is equal to 180 minus 55 plus 65 is 120. 60 degrees, Z is over. We got Z value. Simple concept. Very simple concept. You practice again once again. Complete explanation also I am writing everywhere. You read it and understand it, students. That's all.